What's up everybody? My name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Look at Her Now by Selena Gomez. Alright, so let's go to the studio and start. Alright, let's start from here. This is a little bit fast. Alright, so you need to focus. But before that, we need to wait Noble. Noble, what are you doing? Pansaye. Pansaye means pretending. Alright, let's start. So we're gonna face to your left. So this is a basic up. May tummy. You're gonna go up, sit, and stay there. Alright, 6, 7, and go. 1 and top. Wow, see? Feels sexy. Except my tummy. Again, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2. So from here, you're gonna go open on 3. Go on 4. 4. Alright. Next from here, you're gonna brush 5, 6. Then dip on 7, close on 8. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, up. Go 1 and 2. Step 3, 4. Brush 5, 6. Brush going center 6. Dip on 7 and 8. Okay? Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, 6, 7, and 8, you're gonna brush like away. 1, 2. Then your right, put your lower back. 1, 2, you're gonna go 3, 4. 3, back on 4. One more time. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2. Look to the mirror. 2, 3, 4. Down on 5. You're gonna go stretch 6, 7. Up on 8. Simple as that. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Now let's try from first 8 to second 8. Combine. So here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here. Alright, you're gonna go change and 1. Drop on 2. This one is 3, double 4. Step to the front on 5. Look up on 6. And 7. Close on 8. Alright? Simple as that. From here, 7, 8. Pull chain on 1. Drop on 2, 3, and 4. This one is rotating. 3 and a 4. Step to the front. 5. Weight to your left. 5. Look up 6. And 7, 8. So from here, 6 and 7, 8. Okay? For the last time, this time is faster. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 and 7, 8. Good job. Let's try 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop 6, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Sorry. One more time. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Next. So from here, 7, 8. All right, this one is fast. So focus. Grab 1, stay your right, 1 and 2. Go up and 3 and 4 and 5. Go 6, chest front, 7, chest to the right. Let's do it one more time. 6, 7, grab 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, chest, chest, ma, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Stop, chest, chest. Good job. Let's try it from close. 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's combine. Let's combine from here. All right, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 then 5, 6 and 7. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, chest, 8. Good job. Okay, so from here, chest up on 7, 8, cross 1, 2, circle head 3, jump on 4 and 5, 6, 7. Make sure you look back 7. Then when you look to the front, put your hand like this. Bam. Like that. Okay? That. One more time. So 5, 6 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8. Copy? Roger that. One more time. Faster. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, next. You just go up on 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple walk. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. 1. Okay? My counting is wrong. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7 from here. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we need to use the right walk. 5, 6, 7. Drop on 8. Okay? One more time. Clarification. So 5, 6, 7. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your right. 5, 6. Back on 7. Drop on 8. Okay? That's from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, head 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, you're gonna hear ooh, something like that. So in this one, you're gonna pop your butt. You're gonna go 1 and up, 3, turn 4. Okay? Then step your right on 5, 6. Okay? 6, not on 7. Grab 8. One more time. I'm so close. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're gonna go back 1 and 2, 3, 4. Step your right, 6, not grab 8. Is that clear? One more time. 6, 7, 8, then 1 and 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, stop and 8. So you put your weight to your right. 8. Okay? Let's combine. From here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bang, 1, 2, jump, step your right, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Na cha ra cha cha. Good job. All right, next from here, walk right. Tan, tan, nod and weight on your right. So from here, you're gonna use your shoulder. You're gonna go 1 and then back sitting. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Copy? One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4. This one is going up 4. Point on 5 and 6. Copy. 6. Then you're gonna roll on 7 and 8. One more time. 7, 8. Shoulder 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Roll 7 and 8. Let's combine from here. So 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Right. Nod and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Roll 8. Alright. We still have 2 8s. But this one, basically 1 8, because the last 8 is just repeat. So we end up, we do this one again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then this one, you're gonna push your right, then step your left. 1 and 2. As simple as that. You're gonna go 1 and 2. Okay? One more time. So 5, what's the last step? 7, 7, 10, so 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Copy? Simple as 3, just 4. Go 5, 6, 7, drop on 8. One more time, huh? So 7 and 8, go 1 and 2, just 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop on 8. So 1 going and isolation. Boom, boom, and 8. Okay, let's go on. For the last one, just go up on 1, 2, 3, open on 4. Just repeat this one. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9. Then boom. Finish. Alright, but let's clarify one more time from here. 7, 8, 1 and 2, chest, 3, 4, weight, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, open on 4, grab 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, half, and exit. Yes! Alright girls, let's try everything from the beginning. We do it slow and surely. Alright? I don't know if that's the right term. Slow and precise. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, ma, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bang, 1, 2, 3, open, step right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, stop, 7, shoulder, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, one more time, sorry, I'm so close, 5 and 6, 7, 8, alright, then 1 and 2, left, right, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Ha! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Alright, if you want to see more dance tutorial, blog, dance videos, you can go to the playlist and you can see a lot of there. Alright, so see you on our next video. Bye bye.